Hello, my name is David Berman, Director of Training and Public Relations for the Home Technology Specialists of America, also known as HTSA, and we're here to talk to you a little bit about 3D technology and what you need to know about it before you invest your hard-earned money. Let's talk about the cost versus performance. Three things you need to know about 3D. The larger the screen size, the better. The better the glass system, which is going to be a little bit more expensive, the better the experience. And the third is you should have adequate high-resolution content. All three of those things are critical elements in really enjoying the 3D experience. So what would that indicate based on what we just talked about? Well, it would indicate, number one, that your best choice is going to be a front projection system or a rear projection system because you can get a sufficiently large enough screen to sit an adequate distance away to enjoy the experience. The second is that you can get all of the formats displayed for 3D from any of those two choices. And the third is that from a cost versus performance perspective, you can get rear screen DLP projection from Mitsubishi for about what you would spend for a decent flat panel in a much larger screen size. So all of those things come into play from a cost versus performance perspective. If, however, you've chosen to go to a flat panel television for your 3D experience, first, you should buy the largest screen sizes available, and second, you should probably consider plasma over LCD or LED types of backlighting. Now, why should you do that? Because each of the pixel points on a plasma television are addressable. They can be turned on or off. So you have much better control of light, therefore you get uniform light distribution across the entire surface of the screen. Number two is you get better control of your color accuracy. And with twin imagery, that's a very important thing to do. The third step is LCD, and if you're going to buy a flat panel and you don't want to buy a plasma, LCD is a great alternative, but you should buy a full array LED backlight. What does that mean? Well, a full array LED backlight uses LEDs placed across the entire surface of the screen, not just edge-lit LED, where the LEDs are placed around the screen, or fluorescent, which uses a fluorescent bulb behind the screen. So again, our choices should be projection first to get the largest screen possible and the best control of all the formats, whether that be front projection or rear projection, which is a much more affordable version. Third should be plasma, and fourth should be full array LED backlighting. That's a little background on the display types, which ones we recommend, and from a cost versus performance perspective, which ones would be right for you. For any additional questions on this topic or anything related to 3D, please visit your local HTSA specialist or contact us via the web at htsa.com. Thank you.